Do you know that approximately 50% of people snore at some point throughout their lives? Furthermore, 25% are habitual snorers. Do you know that men are twice as likely to snore than women? A recent UK study found that 43% of people find snoring the most annoying bedtime habit in a partner. Do you know that people who are overweight are more susceptible to problem snoring? And it typically worsens with age. If you or your loved one is suffering from snoring, you should not dismiss it as just a bedtime nuisance for your partner. Snoring can actually have serious, long-term implications for your health. Snoring is an indication of obstructed breathing, which can cause serious complications if not treated. The good news is, there is a simple but highly effective, low-cost solution to instantly banish your snoring forever. It's a real alternative to uncomfortable, heavy-duty breathing apparatus and painful, sometimes unsuccessful surgery. Snoring robs you of essential sleep, which can be disastrous for your health. Take action now. Learn how to stop snoring naturally tonight. Click the link in the description box below this video.